All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review, and then we'll go ahead and test it out on my SEALIGHT Mini Handheld Vacuum. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see how it works. All right, check it out. It's got its own case. Manual. Let's take all the accessory, all the tips for it. A little filter, Type-C cable. Damn, there it is. Take this piece off. All right, so to turn it on, all I did was hold it. Fires that up. All right, so if you want to use the other end, you just take the attachment. So this is the vacuum side, and then this is blow function. So I would just take this piece, put it in here, and then fire it up. That'll react. That's cool. And it even tells you right here with that light that it's charged. It's got some power, honestly. It won't do both at the same time, FYI. I mean, it's definitely not bad for it being handheld, wireless. So let's actually go test it out in the vehicle. We'll test it out kind of around the house, see how it actually does. So let's go ahead and see how it works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out in the car. We'll fire it up. Very cool. All right, and then for the other feature, we're gonna go ahead and try to see what we can get cleaned on this keyboard. Just one thing to know is like you can't use both options at the same time, so just switch out the nozzle from this side to this side and then you'll be good to go. I'll go ahead and fire it up the same way. Man, that works really, really good. So there you have it. It's got the vacuum, it's got the blower on here. Like I said, super simple to switch out. So literally just turn this part off. Then we'll install this part on it now. And then whichever attachment you like. And then literally it's good to go again now for this side. So like I said, very, very cool. It's got different settings on there. So if you're looking kind of for like an all-in-one vacuum and blower, definitely take a look at one of these. 10 out of 10.